It's time to slime again. Welcome back to the lab where we are sliming for science and having a ton of fun doing it. Today we're gonna be making some fluffy creations, like these fluffy slime balloons and these fluffy slime poodles that can even stand up on their own. We're also going to make this giant fluffy slime ball that is so big it won't fit in our containers. And we're going to have to use some serious strength to squish it and pop it. But before we do all that, let's check out some fun from our friends at the channel. They sent us this box of funny balloons that we just had to try out before our slime experiments. These balloons are super silly and we can't wait to show them to you. Let's start with this one. This balloon has a little zipper and when you pull it open, whoopee, it makes fart noises. Classic joke, but always funny. Next, we got this balloon animal kit that lets you turn your balloon into an adorable puppy. Look at this guy. He even has little feet and a tail. A viewer also sent us this balloon bouquet that was actually really hard to open because there were so many balloons inside. It was like trying to get to the bottom of a giant bag of jelly. And once we finally popped open this huge balloon bouquet, look at all the colors. So pretty, but they also sent us something else. Can you name that? Tune? It's from Encanto and I'm not going to say another word. Okay, now let's go back to the lab and make some slime. First, I'm going to need 1 cup of clear sticky glue, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Then add 1/2 cup of shaving cream on top. You don't want to stir this yet. Now we're going to color our slime green. And to do that, I'm going to add a few drops of green food coloring. If you want to add more than a few drops, then remember to add a few less here since we're also adding glitter later. Now let's get our slime nice and stretchy by giving it a good stir. That looks so good. Now let's add the glitter. I'm using fine dark green glitter to match our slime, but you can use any color. Be careful not to add too much or your slime could become stiff. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of cornstarch and continue to stir until everything is well combined and the slime is nice and fluffy. To make the slime even fluffier, you can add more shaving cream. And to make the slime even more colorful, you can add more food coloring. I think this slime looks amazing, but now I'm going to let my daughter help me make some slime balloons. To make the slime balloons, we're going to need 1/4 cup of clear sticky glue and 1/4 cup of water. Mix it together in a bowl, then slowly add in 1/4 cup of cornstarch, while continuously stirring until the mixture becomes a slime-like consistency. Add more cornstarch if the slime is too sticky and add more water if the slime is too stiff. Once you have the perfect fluffy slime consistency, you're ready to stretch it over the balloon. I like to roll the slime into a ball and then press it against the balloon to flatten it out. Make sure you leave a little space at the top of the balloon for tying it off. Keep flattening the slime until the entire balloon is covered. Then tie off the balloon, flip it over, and repeat the process on the other side. I love how these slime balloons look, but let's see what else we can make with this fluffy slime. To make a slime poodle, start by rolling the slime into a ball, then pinch the bottom of the ball to create the head and the body of the dog. Roll it back and forth between your hands to make it longer and thinner. This will be the body of the dog. Create 2 small balls for the front paws, flatten them out and attach them to the sides of the body. Create 2 smaller balls for the back paws and attach them to the back of the body. Then use a bit of slime to attach the head to the body. You can even add little details like a tail and ears. And if you're feeling extra creative, you can even make a whole pack of fluffy slime dogs. I think they look so cute. And they're also super squishy and soft. We made so many slime poodles that we had to take a slime break to play with them instead of working. They're just too fun to pass around and squeeze. And look at this one. Its ears even stand up. It looks like a real dog. And speaking of real animals, look at this owl plushie that my dad brought home for me. It's so soft and fluffy. I think it needs a fluffy slime makeover. Let's get started. First, we're going to take all the stuffing out of the owl. It does not need to be perfect. Just rip it out. Now we're going to cut apart the owl's body into 2 pieces. Take 1 piece and stretch it open. Put 1/2 cup of fluffy slime inside, then pull the edges of the fabric together and tie it off. Repeat the process with the other piece of fabric and the rest of the slime. We're going to call this owl Ollie, and look at this goofy grin. I bet he doesn't even notice we turned him into a slime monster. Let's see what else we can make. This time I'm making a giant slime ball, which means we're going to need a lot of slime. Start by mixing together 2 cups of clear sticky glue and 1 cup of water in a large bowl. Add 3/4 cup of baking soda, then stir it until it looks like slime. Add more water if it's too stiff and add more glue if it's too sticky. I'm making this slime ball with my son and he's adding most of the slime to the balloon. We're going to use a big balloon for this slime ball, but you can use whatever size you want. Just make sure to use a bigger container too. While he stretches the slime over the balloon, I'll tell you why slime is so awesome. Slime is awesome because it's so gooey and squishy. It's awesome because it's so stretchy. It's awesome because it's so easy to make. It's awesome because it never gets old. It's awesome because we can slime everything, and it's awesome because every color looks so good. My favorite is definitely tie-dye slime because you get to squish all of those beautiful colors together. The best part about slime is that it's just so much fun to play with. This slime ball is turning out great, but it's already getting a little bit too big for our container. So let's move it to a bigger container and finish stretching it over the balloon. It's so exciting. We might have made the world's biggest slime ball. Now we have to make it even bigger because we're gonna fill it with even more slime. Let us add another cup and a half of glue and another 3/4 of a cup of baking soda. Continue to mix everything together until it's all smooth and stretchy. Now let's add it to our slime ball. My dad is helping me hold the balloon while I fill it with slime. It's so much harder than it looks. We're gonna need some reinforcements. Over here, my mom is helping us fill up the slime ball and it's still not full yet. We're gonna need even more slime. For the last slime, we were going to mix together another cup and a half of glue and another 3/4 of a cup of baking soda. And then we're going to squish it all together. That stuff is strong. Now my brother is helping us out and we're filling up our slime ball. It's still not full, but it's definitely getting there. Remember, you can always add more slime if you need to, but you can't take it out. I hope we can get this thing to fit. Oh, we did it! Our giant slime ball is full. All we have to do now is tie it off, and it's so big we can barely see the end of the balloon. Let's see if we can squeeze this gigantic slime ball. My brother and I are gonna work together, but it's really hard to get it into our container. And now that it's in our container, it's even harder to get it out. I think we're gonna need some more help. Luckily, we have just the person to help us. We're going to need all the strength we can get. This ball is massive, but it's time to pop it. I'm going to need my special slime sword for this one. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Pop, 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 pop. It's so satisfying to watch it pop, and it took all of our strength to pop this giant slime ball. We had so much fun making slime today. It's the best stress reliever ever. It's so relaxing to squish and stretch and pop. And best of all, it's so much fun to play with. When you want to get rid of your stress, come visit us at the Slime Lab. We slime for science and have a ton of fun doing it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more slime videos and check out our other channels for fun science videos and engineering challenges.